This is Mel from Bangle Whisper. Welcome to Bangle Whisper. Hi, this is Mel from Bangle Whisper. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a mask, and this is could be a scrub too, and this is really good and it does wonders for your skin. So I'm talking about orange peel. Now you can make your own orange peel, which is very easy. Once you eat the oranges, you just dry the peel. You just keep the peel in a big container in the open air, but do not put it under the sun because then it takes away all the goodness. So you just dry it in the shade and keep it in the open airy space, and that way it won't get fungus or mold or anything. And then you just dry it. What I usually do is I have a couple of big containers which I keep it inside the oven, but don't run the oven, just keep it in there and let it dry, and it dries in 10-15 days. And you can do that putting in a paper bag and just keep it in the pantry or closet, and then it'll stay dry. So after it dries, you can just put it in the grinder, mixer, coffee grinder, and grind it. And then you use the orange peel to make a beautiful face mask, and you can use this one in hand, face, neck. So we're going to take a little bit of orange peel, just a little bit. Just going to take about a spoon. So this is about a spoon, and I have 1 spoon of yogurt, and I have half a teaspoon of turmeric. Now turmeric I add all the time to anything I do with the face because turmeric is really amazing. There is not a single spice which comes close to turmeric. So if you use daily turmeric on your skin is going to thank you. You would not see any kind of spots or blemishes on your skin. And then one of the biggest advantage of putting turmeric on your skin is the bugs will not sit on you because they would not like your skin. So you can see how good it is. And well, be sure to ask your doctor before you put all these things on your skin and see if you are allergic to anything that we're doing today. So you do your own research, you do your skin patch test and do it. And taking turmeric internally is just amazing. It does many wonder. You can do your research and see. So today I'm talking just about the orange peel now, and you can mix it with anything. You can mix it with aloe vera gel, and I'm mixing with little bit yogurt. Now these yogurts are just the regular yogurt, but sour yogurt, not sweet. You can take the fat free, you can take with fat, it doesn't matter. We're going to put on the skin. If it's with fat, it's even better because then it's creamy. So the smell is coming from this one is so good. So what we're going to do, we're going to mix it like this, and then you can put it in a little container and just use it daily, and you can keep it 2-3 days, and this will really make your skin bright and beautiful, and it'll give a very good glow to the skin. Now I'm going to do a video on orange peel benefits, and this is just to show you how you can use this one as a mask, as a beauty video. But I'm going to do orange peel benefits separately because it's just so amazing. It has so much benefits, so many benefits. So just to feel that this one lightens your skin, and it clears up any kind of dark pigmentation, sunburn, or any kind of spots and anything like that. So for that it's really good. And also it's going to give a beautiful glow and keep the skin free from any kinds of skin diseases or bug bite or anything like that. And this orange peel has more vitamin C than actually orange itself or the pulp, but most people throw away the skin and just eat the orange. But we should use the skin because this is really good, and it's going to produce collagen on your skin, so your skin will become firmer and it'll be glowing and firmer and tighten. And also another thing does it makes your skin looking youthful, so your pores shrink, so you'll not have so many big pores, and also to clean the pores. So this has a lot of benefits, so I'm going to make a video and list it, but just to say few, this is really amazing, and so just try it and put this one daily if you wish. So I have here orange peel, yogurt, and little bit of turmeric, and you can add little bit rice powder too if you want, or you can add little bit of oatmeal and make a scrub, and you can add few drops of lemon juice, and you can do like rice powder or oatmeal or a few drops of lemon juice and some brown sugar and make a scrub. So anyway, this it works for anything and everything, and this is really good. So make yourself some orange peel, or you can even buy it. Orange peels are available at you can get it online, or you can go to like Asian grocery store, Indian grocery store, and you can see they have packs of orange peel, and it's not too much. It's like $2.29 or something like that, or $3.99 something. So this one pack is going to last you a long time, because this what I made here is going to last 2-3 days, and you put it on your face, your neck, your hands, or wherever else that you wish to put. And these are all natural thing, and unless you have serious allergy to any of these, otherwise they're just very natural things. So this is the orange peel beauty mask video, and I will be bringing many more, and I will be doing a video listing all the benefits of orange peel, turmeric, and yogurt on the face and the skin. And a lot of people take this orange peel internally too. It has a lot of benefits. People have taken the lemon peel internally with water, and they have taken the orange peel because it has more vitamin C, collagen, all the antioxidants to fight the free radical damage and aging. So it's more than the actual orange itself. So thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I will see you with many more. Hi, thank you so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe,